Welcome ladies and gentlemen, brand new Rolling Heritage video, and I have some very exciting news because I'm going to pick up 4 new doors for my car with door panels, with mirrors, with glass, with door handles, everything you can imagine, and they are very unique, the door panels, which I very like. So this is an amazing day. So let's start driving, because it's a 2.5 hour drive. Well, 2 hours and 48 minutes. So I'm kind of crazy, because that is from where I live in the Netherlands to the very lowest point you can ever get before hitting the Belgian border. So yeah, let's hit the road and get those babies home, because they are very cheap. So yeah, let's do that. And yeah, I'll see you guys afterwards. So welcome ladies and gentlemen, brand new Rolling Heritage video, and I hope you are all doing well today. Thank you for tuning in. It's a brand new day, and yes, it's been a couple of weeks since I last posted about this project, the complete Volvo restoration from 1983. And yes, it's been a wild ride, because it's just so much work. I have been welding this car for the past weeks. But I also have some positive news, because like you saw in the previous part of this video, in the beginning, I told you guys I was going to pick up some new doors. We are actually already like 2 weeks later, and I want to show you guys something. Over here we have something very nice, all behind the covers. And over here we have our new Volvo doors. Yes, they're blue, but that doesn't matter. Over here, I already started sanding the car. And yes, that was a very big step for me. So I also sanded those brand new doors. As you can see, I'm taking off this plastic trim. And I know there are a lot of questions about how you can do that. And the easiest way to get that trim off is to buy one of these. This is just a soft rubber disc with a drill bit in there. You can buy these for I think 12 bucks or something, and these work great. You can take all those rubber things off and it works fantastic. So yes, what are the plans for the upcoming days, weeks, months for this car? Well, actually in a month we have a road trip planned, so I need this car done in about 4 weeks. We are nowhere near the end, because we need to paint this car, of course. We need to do everything else. We need to do the interior, the installation of the interior, the wiring. The complete dashboard need to go back in. And then after that all is done, we still need to tackle everything else, like the engine bay, like the engine itself, like the drivetrain and everything else. So yes, we have a lot to do. Yeah, I have been welding on this car for the past weeks. As you can see over here, I welded this complete floor. I'm actually now welding this floor over here, and I still need to weld that piece over there. That side is completely done. The front over there is completely done. So yes, we are making some progress. We have those doors, and these have very gorgeous door panels, so I'm very happy about that. Then we have that new seat that's over there, and there is an update coming on that, because that might not even go in the car, because I might have come across some Alfa Romeo seats, and I know it's weird to put some other seats in the car, but I've come across beautiful Alfa Romeo seats. They are blue, they are kind of nice, they are just looking like an 80s style car, and like I said, they're blue, so I'm thinking of buying those. So keep subscribed to this channel, because we might even buy Alfa Romeo seats. And to show you one of the things I'm most excited for about all things of this car. Look at this beautiful piece. Look at it. Just look at it. How beautiful is this? Imagine driving your Volvo with a steering wheel like that in front of you. That's just what life is about. Wooden steering wheels. I love it. I just love it. Ladies and gentlemen, welding is almost done. Yes, I have been welding today. Welding a piece in, one of the last pieces that needs to go into the floor of the car. When this is done, and I'm gonna go underneath the car again right now and weld it off. When that is done, we are gonna go to the front over here. And I have no idea how I can get a huge hole like that over there. But we are gonna patch that one. And when that one is done, we are almost done. Because then we need to make something out of this one over here. Let me show you guys. This is a repair that my uncle did, sadly. And yeah, this is not my kind of work. So I'm gonna cut that out, make that brand new too. And yes, when that welding is all done, we can finally throw in some paint over there, cover up all those welds in some seam sealer, throw some paint on there, make everything nice, gloss, shiny, black, because we are not gonna care about the inside. All the floorboards, all the floor panels will be all covered in Noico sound deadening material. I'm getting Noico black, that is like a butyl kind of rubber, and I'm also getting a pack of Noico red. So black is the butyl rubber and red is the foam kind of stuff. I don't like white cars, but I do like it when my ears aren't like flapping around with all the noise that this car makes. When, yeah, it's a brick. So aerodynamica, we don't have aerodynamica. But we do have a Volvo that's almost ready for some paint. So that makes me so excited. And of course, it makes me even more excited that we are already at 517 subscribers right now while making this video. So thank you guys for that. I really love it when you guys subscribe to this channel. And come on, make that number higher. Keep on subscribing, keep on following this dream of mine of having a YouTube channel that's big enough to support these dreams that I have, to support the dream of making more of these Volvos, even doing giveaways of built cars and everything else in the future maybe. So yeah, come on, please hit the subscribe button. We bought some seats, guys. Yes, we finally have new seats for the Volvo 240. I'm so freaking happy. Let me close my windows. So yeah, I just drove yeah, like half an hour and picked up some Alfa Romeo seats. So yeah, I don't know why we are putting Alfa Romeo seats in the car, but I don't even care. They're blue, they are very nice, they are not in perfect shape, but in like very good usable shape. So yeah, I'm freaking happy. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys, but yeah, that has to wait till tomorrow. But for you guys, tomorrow is actually now. So yeah, let's just skip ahead and then you guys can see the seats right now. So look at these things. These are Alfa Romeo seats, as you can see, because it says it on the back, sadly. But yeah, they're pretty nice. They're a little bit dirty. They have this weird seatbelt thing, but we can't take that off. And I just did some test fitments because yes, I'm very excited for this, of course. And look at this. It's in there. It's in there. And you know what the most amazing thing is? Out of all of this, out of just buying some random Alfa seats, they fit on the original holes of the seats in the front. The back I need to make something, but that's also very easy. I'm gonna show you that right now, but the front just fits perfectly. So original a Volvo 240 has some struts that go into here, and you can actually see those because there is one, but you can't get a nut on there because look, your nut is not, yeah, that's nuts, it's nuts. Well, not because you can't have a nut there. Maybe you can have a nut over like that way, but then you cannot turn it. So yeah, this won't work. So what I did, I took a hex size bolt and look at how snug that fits in there. It just fits perfectly. Yeah, the clearance underneath the seat, of course there is some kind of bulge bolts in the underside of it with some springs or something. The sad part of these seats are that these shims you see over here, those are actually some bolts. They are put inside from the outside. So there's a bolt like coming through like that, and it's like a welded on bolt to the rail. So you can't get that one off. So you can't even change out these rails without cutting these bolts off and welding some nuts to the frame of the seats or something. I'm not gonna do that because it fits. So we're gonna take this strut out. We're gonna get some more of those hex bolts. Allen key, I mean. Hex, Allen, I don't know. I think it's an Allen key bolt. We can take this one out and we can bolt the seat down in the front. And in the rear, you have like the weird Volvo thing that the original seats are mounted over there. So we need like a cross section over there, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drill a hole over there. I'm gonna weld in a bolt or a nut. I need to see what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna weld in a bolt, just like one of those. I'm gonna weld in that one over there. It's a strong piece, and they did it also from the factory. So I'm gonna weld in a bolt over there. Then we can take this piece. This is the bracket, and as you can see, I'm hoping you can see it. Yes, you can see. I think you can see it from the inside over here. A little bit of difficult camera work. But this is the point where the bolt goes into, and this is your bracket. So what we can do, I took the bracket off the other side. This is your seat bracket. Where's the focus? There it is. This is your seat bracket, and it has like that weird top part. So what we can do, we can... Oh wait, I got some more metal over here. Nice. I thought I was all out of metal, but this is some very thick 2mm thick steel. So what we can do, we can take this part. We are gonna cut off this weird top that it makes it all flat. We are gonna box this complete thing in. So we're gonna make a plate like this. So it will be closed like that. Then we're gonna cut another piece that will be like on the top like that. And then we can make also a bolt or a nut welded onto that top. And what that does, it will still keep it original like halfway, so we can still bolt in the original seats over there, but then we can also bolt in those gorgeous Alpha seats. And of course, when you have Alpha seats, you also need a wooden steering wheel. You guys have seen that before. So this is the wooden steering wheel. Look at this. Look at it. Beautiful seats, beautiful steering wheel. My Volvo is powered by a letter. Sometimes life throws weird things at you. But we have steering wheel. So we can go left, we can go hard right, and we just keep going right. But I have done this way too much, just sitting here, steering. But what do you think about these seats? I'm gonna make those brackets because it's welding day again. It's crazy hot outside, but I have those seats. They are beautiful. So I'm gonna make those brackets. I'm gonna weld those nuts in so we can bolt these seats down perfectly before we are going to paint the inside. So guys and girls, first seat is finally in and I'm actually very pleased with how it looks. So let's flip the camera. As you can see, the seat is in. It looks pretty damn good. Seating position is alright. So what I did, I have welded a nut inside of that metal over there. Then I have covered this plate on the top and in the front just to box it in and make it very nice and tight. So that's very nice. It's also just screwed in the original places in the front. So pretty happy about all that. Guys, it's so hot, but I gotta say, this is so delicious. Every day is pizza day. Every day. But we lifted the car And we did it like super sketchy. It is like a wooden beam resting on my welding cart. In the back we have also like a cart with some wooden frame above it, just so we can push the car back. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I just couldn't upload this video without showing you the biggest result we have achieved yet on this car. And that is completely painting and sealing off every single weld inside of the floorboards and everything in this car. And I gotta say, this black stuff looks amazing. So here you go, guys. Let's check it out. Look at this. Complete interior, all covered in hammerite black. This is like a hammer finish paint. Over there you can see some welds, other welds, more welds, more welds. Complete rear of the car, all the sides are done. I ran out of paint, so the front is not completely done, but I will do that tomorrow evening. Then everything will be covered in this thick layer of nice black paint. Look at this. All that hard work for the trunk, and look how it turned out. Just look at it. For now, that was it for today. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna eat this delicious salami sandwich thing, pizza bread. And thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.